Hey, it's Puni back again. And recently, Microsoft introduced their new AI function, and I was able to get it in my Excel application within a few hours after release. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Microsoft's Insider program to get all the new features in your Excel application before everyone else get it. So, here's what you need to do. Go to File tab, click on Account, and then go to the Microsoft 365 Insider. And here I have this option change channel because I have already joined the Insider program. But in your case, you will have this option to join, and you just need to click here and it will sign you up right away. And you can see when I click on here, it gives me this pop-up here where I have option to select the channel that I want to subscribe to. So now here we have two different channels. The first is the current channel. That means you will get the options, the new options when they are finalized and there is no change in those options. But after that, we have this beta channel. That means you will get the new features and options and functions even before they are finalized. So you will get them as a user who can test those features and options and functions. So I'm into beta channel. So, and you can choose any of these two channels and click here and then agree to the terms and condition and then click OK. Now, after that, you just need to click on update option and then click on update now, and it will check for the updates. And once the updates are downloaded, it will ask you to save your work so that it can install all the updates. So you just need to click on continue if you don't have any workbook open. And in the end, you'll get this message that updates were installed. And I also suggest you to read this page from Microsoft where every detail is mentioned about joining the Microsoft 365 Insider program. So you'll find the exact steps that you need to follow that I have just showed you and a few more information that you need to know. You can find the link to this page in the description.